Welcome back in chemistry classes once again. First of all, good morning to all of you. Today we have to discuss related to the few numericals related to mass percentage of an element in a given compound. In previous video, already I taught you how to calculate the mass percentage of any element in a given compound. So by using of that formula, we can easily calculate a lot of the questions. The few of the questions we have to do today. So look here the first question. The first questions are written: calculate the mass percentage composition of copper pyrites. Copper atomic mass given 63.5, iron given 58.5, sulfur 32. So first, you know what is the formula of copper pyrites? So copper pyrites is the ores of copper. It is a ore of copper. Its formula is the CuFeS2. It is a formula of copper pyrite. So first we have to calculate total molar mass of the 1 mole of compound. The molar mass of copper pyrite. Copper here 1. Atomic mass copper is 63.5. So 1 into 63.5 plus Fe1 1 into 56 58 58.5 plus sulfur here 32 and there are 2 sulfur, so 2 into 32. After calculation the value will be we get here 183.3. This is a complete molar mass of copper pyrite, means CuFeS2. Already given, calculate the mass percentage of composition. The composition means whatever element are present in the given compound, we have to calculate one by one element mass percentage. So mass percentage of copper. Mass of copper. So mass of copper here 63 point, mass of copper upon total mole of compound, total mass of compound I into 100. This is simple formula. Mass of copper is 63.5 and total mass 183.3 into 100. Now we can also write here 635 by 183. Here this value also we can write after removing the point here. So after calculation the value will be 34.64 percentage. So this is a percentage of copper in copper pyrite. Now this is the first. Now second one, Fe, same mass percentage of iron equal mass of iron. The mass of iron upon total mass of compound, same formula, into 100. So put the value. Mass of iron is the 58. Mass of iron equal 58.5 and total mass of compound 183.3 into 100 or 585 upon 1833 into 100. After calculation the value will become 30.44 percentage. So this is a mass percentage of iron. Now one more element are there, that is a sulfur. So how to calculate the sulfur? You know 1 mole of compound, 1 mole of copper pyrite consisting the 2 sulfur atom. So how to do? First you take a screenshot. Okay. Same thing, mass percentage of sulfur. The total mass of sulfur into total mass of compound into 100. The total mass here 2 sulfur are there, so 2 into 1 sulfur atomic mass is the 32 upon 183.3 into 100. This value. Why I have multiplied by 2? Because of number of sulfur atom in 1 mole या per mole of copper pyrite equal 2. That's why we have to multiply by 2. So after calculation, this value will be 64. 183.3 into 100. Now 6400 upon 183.3. After dividing, the value will become 34.91. 34.91 percentage. So this is a mass percentage of sulfur. After adding all percentage of the constituent elements, so we get nearly 100%. Suppose 34.91, 30.44, and now one more I have calculated 34.64. 34.64. After adding, we get here 44819, 94, 13, 13, 6, 19, 120, 20, 0, carry 2, 44820, carry 1, 339, 93, 12, 12, 1, 12, 1, 13. 1 minute, something mistake happening. 14559 94 9450 13 13 6 13 6 19 19 का 9 here 9 448 81 9 and 339 33 का 9 99.99. Look here, 99.99 nearly means 100%. It is proved that any compound, their constituent particles or their constituent element, their sum of percentage of their constituent element always equal to the 100. It proved that it is correct. Okay, so this is simple method how to calculate the mass percentage of any element in a given compound. By using of this formula, we can easily calculate the mass percentage. Okay, please take a screenshot, students.